first of all, I will introduce for an escape module. So this is the OEM sync module and the sync monitor. And you take 4 of the screw out, and then you can unplug. After unplug, you can see the pins connection. And then these 2 are the modules from Syntegrate interface. It's totally plug and play. As you can see, we use the OEM connectors to connect the OEM sync module. So I will show you how to connect them together. Alright, so after connected, you get 4 screws to put it together here. And then you put the sync together. Alright, and then you put the OEM screws here to lock the modules. And then you connect this one. This is the OEM connector, but we changed it to the our T-harness. And then you connect the T-harness back to the OEM. Alright, here this one is for the OEM USB connector, is on the car. And then after connected, you connect this one to the OEM connector like this one. It's just an extension. And then you connect the DVI connector to the DVI connector of our system. This one is for the HDMI function. This one you connect here. And you have a screw to lock it here. And then these 2 connectors are connected to the interface module. Also, you got the GPS antenna routed on your vehicle, and then you connect it to the GPS antenna plug. And then that would be pretty much all. This one is specially for Escape and C-Max, because the space behind the screen. Yep. And then also we have another module here. We have another module that is different from the Escape one. And then we can change this one to this one. This one is specially for Edge, Explorer, Mustang, Fusion. These 4 vehicles, we can use this plug. And also the 2015 F-150 is also suitable for this one. But the 2014 is a different one. I will introduce the new one. Alright, let me put this here. For some of the vehicles, they have very special structures behind the screen. I mean, after you unplug this, there's no more space to fit our module between, because the space is too tight. So we figure out a very special addition of a bracket to move the sync away, and then add our modules. Let me show you how to work. And then this one should go to the sync module, and then you lock the all the screws, and then this one comes here to so this is a Alright, you take the screws to fix this bracket here. You need to fix all the 4 screws and then connect this back here. Alright. Connect the module, and then you have harness to connect the video signal to this bracket. And this is an extension harness for you to put away the sync module. So you plug this one, you plug in, and this one goes to the sync module. Alright, this one is for the USB of OEM. Then you put away the sync module and put this one back to the space, because we replaced the sync module, so we have enough room to put this together. Actually, this one is suitable for Fiesta, for Flex, for 2013 to 2014 F-150. Also the other vehicles that don't have enough space, for example the Expedition, you can also use this one. And then I will show you how to connect it back to the OEM vehicle. I have got the Mustang here. Alright, I have got everything back here. So after you connect this harness, you should route this harness back to the console, and then put the sync module down in the, you can put it down in the glove box or anywhere that you can put it suitable. And then you connect the connection of OEM connection. This one is the OEM USB connector. We have another extension connector for you to put it away to the under the glove box. So, and then you can put this back right to the module. Put it back right here. Oops. So if you run all the harness well, you can put it back very easily. So I'm just showing you how to connect it and how to power it on. Oh, sorry, it's in the wrong direction. So see, after you install the system, you get a navigation and more icon to cover, to overlay the information icon originally you have. So and then when you tap the navigation and more, you got the navigation interface page. Actually, this is the OEM home page. You remain all the 4 functions you have, and then if you tap here, you can go right into the interface page. You got more functions here, like navigation, like OBD information, and HDMI function and other functions. For these kind of functions, you can go to my YouTube videos to check for each vehicle. So